Hello everyone, welcome back with Inventor Basic 3D Modeling tutorial for exercise number 15. Click create a new drawings and you can choose a standard template in millimeter. The next, click start to the sketch, choose a front plane, and in here I will create circle. Start from this point, we set for diameter into 26. The next circle I will set diameter into 12. Okay. You can press Escape button to close the circle command, and I will select these two circles. Use copy tools. We copy base point from this point to the top. The next, we can set a distance with this tool dimension. Okay, between these circles, I will set into 30. Use a line command to create line. Start from this point to here. Okay, create again at this point. In here, and the last at this point. Click trim, then click here, trim command, we cut inside here and cut at this point. Okay, now use copy command again, we copy these objects, move to the right, and we can set distance between these two sketches into 64. And now we create again lines from this point and from this point into here. We can click finish sketch. To convert this sketch into 3D models, we can use extrude tools. You can click here extrude, and for profile select at this point. Okay, the next I will change for directions and set for distance into 10 mm extrusion. Click OK. We can active for sketch 1. You can right click in here and click visibility. Use extrude tools again. We can select at this face, and we set for distance into 3. Use join booleans and click OK. The next, I will create new plans. You can click here plans and click at this point. Okay, you can click again. And now I will create plan with offset in here. Click at this plan and we can offset into 15. Okay, now you can click start to the sketch. Choose this plan. In here we create line. Okay, start from this point to the left here 20 and move to the top 20. The next, use a fillet command. We set for radius into 20 and select at these two lines. Then close. And now use a circle command to create circle in here. We set for diameter into 60. Use a line command to connect between these 2 points from this point into here. Then next, we click from this point into this point. Okay, use the trim command again to cut the circle. And now you can click finish sketch. You can use extrude tool. Okay, you can extrude at this region. We set for extrusion into 15. Click distance in here, change into 15. And for booleans, I will set into new solid. Click OK. The next, select at this face, or you can create new plane again. Click at this edge, this point, and click again. Use start to sketch, select at this plane. Now you can create a circle. Okay, we create circle in the center point. Set for diameter into 30. And the next circle, we can set diameter into 14. Use dimension tools. We can set dimension from a center point into this point. I will set into 15. Click OK. You can click finish sketch. Next, use extrusion tools. We extrude at this region. Change for directions and we set in here for extrusion into 10 points. Click OK. The next, I will create sketch at this face. Okay, you can use rectangle tools to create rectangle. Start from this point. You can move this rectangle into this point. Okay, the next, click finish sketch and use extrusion tools to extrude at this point. I will move into here and I will set into join operation. Click OK. So it will be automatically joined. Now you can use these tools, mirror, and for feature we select these two features. For mirror plane, you can click at this plane and click OK. So it will be automatically mirror into another side. And the next in here, in here we need to mirror again at this point. So you can use mirror tools, feature, select at this point. This feature we need to select, and mirror plane at this point. Click OK. So to be automatically copy. The next, to combine these all objects, you can use combine tools. For base body, you can select this body and tool body, click at these objects and click OK. So it will be automatically combined. You also can use extrude tools again. We can select at this face and in here, move into another direction, and I will set into this point. So in here we can use a cut option to cut at these objects. Click OK, and then it will be automatically apply to cut at this point. And then you can hide for sketch 1. Click here for this work plane. Okay, work plane 3. Okay, and enough today for Inventor basic tutorial for exercise number 15. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.